AI is changing project management not by replacing us, but by taking the boring, heavy stuff off our plate. Take planning. Tools like Forecast or Notion AI can draft timelines, suggest dependencies. Instead of building schedules from scratch, you review and adjust, which can save a lot of hours. Risk management. Platforms like Wrike or ClickUp AI can scan project data, flag delays before they happen, even suggest who is overloaded. It's like having an early warning system built in. Reporting is another big one. With Power BI or Tableau, with AI plugins, you can auto-generate dashboards, status reports, even client updates. No more late nights stuck on Excel looking at them. And for decision making, tools like Perplexity AI or ChatGPT with project data can give you scenarios. If we can cut budget here, what's an impact on the delivery? If we don't take a call for you, but it gives you an insight to make smarter choices. Here is the key. AI handles tasks, you handle people, because leadership is all about motivating your team, reading the room, making right judgment, taking decisions, and no tool can replace that. The project managers who thrive in future, they will be the ones who know when to lean on AI, when to step up as leader.